Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chen Rodriguez, Mama Sigrid Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of March 2025 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanina kayong energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And the notification bell for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads away, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Leo. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, ito na. Ito ngayon at bubulabugin natin ang angel spirit. Please give me information po. Okay, there's the King of Wands, ambitions. So, unti-unti mo itong makikita mga pagbabago. There's something, a natural born leader. Kayang-kaya mong pangatawanan, kayang-kaya mong tumayo sa sarili mong mga paa. No? Even for finances, you have the power, no? To control a situation, no? So, let's see what is the additional messages. And there's something, the judgment for a wake-up call. This is something, a final decision. Kailangan mo ng kumilos, kailangan mo ng gumalaw, kailangan mo ng magdesisyon, no? Para pinapaalalahanan ka na kailangan na magising ka na sa katotohanan, no? And there's a our moment for a major changes. At malaking pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay mo ay magdadala sa iyo ng changes, no? Maaring may mga pinagdaanan ka na hindi mo lubos maisip, no, na mangyayari yon. So there's something na parang ito na yung panahon, pagkakataon para baguhin mo na, no, yung ganong scenario. Additional messages. And there's something, the Ten of Swords. There's something sabotage, no? There's something, a painful ending. Maraming mga nagwakas na pananakit, mga katraydoran. Kumbaga may mga bagay dito na kailangan, lagi mo pakakatandaan na kailangan na maging matalino ka sa paligid mo. O, ibig sabihin, huwag kang masyado magtitiwala, no? Maraming mga traidor, manloloko sa paligid mo, kailangan matuto ka na. No. Let's see. Parang nakakita ko ng trauma dito. Parang nakakita ko ng trauma na there's something, a trust issue na rin, no? Kaya kailangan kumbaga napakalalim talaga ng pinanggalingan dito ng kasinungalingan, ng panloloko. And there's a magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na mamamanifest, no? Mag-focus ka na lang kung paano mo pagyayabungin yung sarili mo. And there's something, the Queen of Swords. There's something, a bigger picture. Unti-unti mo na makikita yung mga possibilities. Maging matalino ka sa sarili mo na kung paano mo i-clear yung boundaries mo, paano mo lilinisin, aalisin, babaguhin kung ano man ang mga bagay na meron ka. What is the King of Wands? A King of Wands is represented with the Ace of Pentacles. So this is something, a big shot and big money coming in for you, no? Kontrolado mo, kayang-kaya mo pangatawanan, kayang-kaya mo palaguin, palakasin ang iyong finances. This is something, a new material offer coming in for you, a new job, new promotion, new opportunities, new manifestation. And because there's something, resource of income, no? Let's see what is a judgment. A judgment represented with the Knight of Cups. There's something, an offer. No, there's a lot of ideas, information na maaring ibigay sa iyo. Kailangan maging matalino ka na, no? Pinapaalalahanan ka, you need to take an action for this. Na kailangan mo nang gumising sa katotohanan na hindi lahat ng mga offer ay maganda. Hindi lahat ng offer sa iyo ay makakabuti sa iyo, no? May pagdilin lang diyan. There's a Tower moment. Represent what? Represent the Two of Swords. There's a decision that you need to make. So kailangan mo magdesisyon, no? Kumbaga walang pag-aalilangan, walang pagsisisi dahil may mga nangyari sa nakaraan na maaring ginulo no ang iyong buhay at ang iyong ginagalawan. So kailangan matuto ka na, hindi pwedeng one foot in, one foot out, hindi pwedeng pabago-bago ng desisyon. Kailangan kumbaga naka-straight forward ka na kagad. Let's see what is the Ten of Swords. Reverse with the Six of Cups, no? It's a sabotage with an ex or either your friend of yours, no? Or either this is something and family related, no? May mga nag-traidor sa'yo at niloko ka, na sinabotahe ka. What is the magician? Betray ka, guys, no? And there's the word can represent with success. No? Magsasuccess ka talaga. And there's something magician for power and authority, no? Kayang-kaya mong i-manage at kayang-kaya mong kontrolin at kayang-kaya mong baguhin ang mundong ginagalawan mo. The word represents the success, the word represents the accomplishment, the word represents the victory. So there's a magician for manifestation and willpower. Kayang-kaya mo talaga yan na kumbaga yung pinangarap mo ay maaaring may isang katuparan mo. Tinatawag na desires into reality. What is the Queen of Swords? Represent what? There's just a Six of Pentacles. There's just something give and take, no? Kailangan mo maging balance, emotional, physical, mental. So, kailangan maging matalino ka. No? Malayo pa lang, alam mo na dapat yung magiging possibilities, yung outcome, or any consequences. What is the King of Wands? Because the Ace of Pentacles. Represent with the Queen of Pentacles. Just being practical, no? And very generous pagdating sa finances. So, sinasabi dito, kumbaga pagdating sa finances, kailangan alam mo yung grounds mo. Being practicality. And this is something, and Page of Wands, by good news, may magandang balita daw dito. Pinapaalalahanan ka lang na may mga offer dyan na magdadala sa iyo ng mga bagong ideas, and of course unlock knowledge. Kumbaga hindi ka familiar sa mga information na to, pero kailangan mong aralin, kailangan mo munang busisiin, kailangan mo munang kilalanin, kailangan mo munang tuklasin, ganon. Kumbaga evaluate or analyze before getting these opportunities. So let's see what this is Tower moment. It was the Two of Swords, represent with the Moon card. So this is something a truth reveal. Na may mga bagay na talaga na ipabahagi sa iyo, lahat ng mga bagay na nasira, kumbaga papakita na sa iyo kung bakit nasira yon, kung bakit nagkaroon ng komplikasyon doon. No, magkakaroon ka ng decision na okay, just move on. Kumbaga inaano mo na lang na kailangan mo na lang makawala dyan. No? Hindi mo na, kumbaga papasok sa utak mo na hindi mo na kailangan, kumbaga nung nalaman mo na, hindi mo na kailangan pang kumbaga tuklasin pa ulit, no? Parang ulit-ulitin, no? Kumbaga nag-decision ka na kailangan mo na kumbaga mag-move on. Now let's see what is the Ten of Swords, and of course the Six of Cups. And because there's something that's right, kailangan mo maging malakas, maging matibay, diba? Self-love and respect ang kailangan dito. Mahalin mo ang sarili mo, tanggapin mo yung sarili mo. And there's something an influence, no? Kailangan mong kumbaga matuto ka na, no? How to manage and control your temper. Kailangan mo maging kalmado at of course kailangan pababain mo yung tension mo. Kasi may mga bagay dito na ang bilis mo mapaniwala, no? Lalo na kapag yung para ang bilis this is something matataninhaga salita. Ang bilis kang hatakin doon, no? Kaya kailangan maging maingat ka. Kasi itong mga tao na to, mamadaliin ka lang pero hindi maganda intention sa'yo. What is the Magician in the word card? Represent what? There's the Five of Wands, in reverse something no more complication. No, sa mundong gagalawan mo, sa mundong babaguhin sa iyo, there's something a power with a God na maaaring tanggalin na yung magsisilbing komplikasyon at kumbaga iiwas ka na rin sa magsisilbing komplikasyon din, no? End of the conflict is here. What is the Queen of Swords? Because the Six of Pentacles, represent with the Ten of Wands. There's many burdens, no? There's an extra responsibilities and obligations na napakabigat-bigat. Kaya kailangan maging balanse ka. Kumbaga kapag hindi mo kaya, spread it out, no? Sabihin mo, hindi mo kaya, wag mong ipilit, no? Maging totoo ka and authentic ka sa sarili mo. So let's see what is additional messages for finances and career. For finances and career, represent with the Four of Swords. There's something in intuition. Kumbaga may gut feeling ka dito, mag-meditate ka. There's a Six of Wands for a victory is yours. Magiging matagumpay ka. Kailangan mong gawing center si God, no, for your decision. And there's a Page of Cups for your intuitions. Na makinig ka sa inner voice mo, sa intuition sa ibinibigay sa iyo, no? Kumbaga maraming bagay nagugulo sa utak mo pero kailangan mo pakinggan yung gabay mo. And there's something the Four of Wands by celebration at twin flame energy, no? Magkakaroon ka ng magandang kalalabasan dyan sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo, or even finances, no? Magkakaroon ka ng lot of celebration, events, ganon. Maaring there's a lot of branches. What is additional messages for love life? Sa love life mo naman, there's a Two of Pentacles with a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance, emotional, physical, mental. Choose wisely, ha? Pagdating sa pag-ibig, matuto kang pumili, no? Ng taong alam mo pang matagalan. Alam mo na itong tao na to, kung magbibigay sa'yo ng growth and expansion sa isa't isa, no? And there's the Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment, no? Talagang, kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay na to, kumbaga, ma-harvest mo to. No? There's something long-term relationship there at the same time. What is additional messages? So there's a lover. See? magkakaroon ka talaga dito guys ng higher level commitment. Sorry guys. There's something higher level commitment. What is additional messages with an angel spirit for health? There's a 9 of Pentacles with a blossoming. Ibig sabihin gaganda na yung kalusugan and the wheel of fortune is here. Now there's something blessed, healing, recovery. So ibig sabihin makaka-recover ka na. There's something a magic and there's something in hope and miracles maaring ibigay sa iyo. There's a good karma and new cycle coming in for you. Babaguhin na, alisin na yung maling sistema, maling eksena sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, there's something, a brand new beginning, no? So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. For synchronicities muna tayo. For synchronicities, represent what? For synchronicities, represent with community. See? Kumbaga, nasa paligid mo. No? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, marunong ka dapat makipag-coordinate, no? Kilalanin, busisiin yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. And this is something a teacher. No? Matuto ka na. There's something a lesson. And the butterfly is something a transformation. Now, there's something a butterfly on the head na parang baguhin mo na yung mindset mo. Baguhin mo na yung, kumbaga, yung iniisip mo. Even your perspective. There's something, the intuition. See, I told you. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. There's something unowned na nag-represent with a messenger. Kumbaga, binibigyan ka na mensahe dito ng ating gabay na kailangan mo mag-pay attention. No? Kumbaga, ang nangyayari kasi nagkakaroon dito ng, kumbaga, self-sabotage. No? Dahil sa pagiging mababa ang kalooban mo. What is the magical fairy messages? And there's a let go. No, kailangan mo na i-let go, pakawalan, bitawan, healing, healer. So, ibig sabihin dito, pagagalingin na at unti-unti ka nang makaka-recover. There's a let go, surrender to the divine. So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. So, let's see guys. What is a yin and yang oracle card? Represent what? Represent what? With family, home commitment. So see, there is something about sa family nyo, no? And of course, there is something, a storm. May unos, may pagsubok na dumating sa pamilya mo, no? Sinubok dito sa finances, sinubok sa love life. Maraming kasing mga nagsilbing betrayal, no? Kumbaga, maraming panloloko, maraming panlilinlang, no? Which is sariling family din, no? And there's something, a message with the dreams, no? Kumbaga, may mensahe sa'yo, sa panaginip mo na dinadala ka, no, sa tamang landasin at sa tama at katotohanan. Ganon. And this is something a growth. Magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion dyan, guys, no? So, let's see what is the Romance Angels for Mystic Love Oracle deck. Let's see. And there's a reconciliation. Some of you guys, meron dito talagang magbabalikan. Meron dito magkakabalikan. Meron ditong there's something a second chances and there's a love for a strong affections, no? Meron naman ditong may bagong pag-ibig. And this is something an honesty. Magiging tapat at magiging totoo na kayo sa isa't isa. Totoo ba? No, dahil sa nangyaring kasinungalingan, panloloko. So this is the moment magiging transparency na kayo sa isa't isa, even flexibility. So let's see what is additional messages. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Represent what? Represent with enough forgiveness. No? May mga kapatawaran na kailangan ng ibigay at kailangan ng bitawan. No? There's a block. Nagbablock kasi ito ng, at nagkikreate ng negative thing. There's something creating a blockages. And there's something fear. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. Natatakot ka, baka mangyari ulit. Natatakot ka, baka, kumaga sa buhay, may pagsugal talaga na nangyayari. No? Kailangan mong ilaban kung ayaw mong magsisi sa huli. What is Archangel Michael messages? And there's your inner guidance is really trustworthy. No, yung mga gabay mo mapagkakatiwalaan naman daw. And there's an eternal love. No, there's an everlasting promises. No, mayroon talagang pangmatagalang relasyon. At there's something for long term talaga. And this is something you created the situation and you have the power to change it. No, ikaw yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo, ikaw din makakagawa ng paraan para makalayas at makaalis ka dyan. So ibig sabihin, dahil dyan, kumbaga, inabuso, kaya ka inabuso, dahil naging mabait ka, naging ka, masyado kang, kumbaga, give lang ng give, hindi kayo nagkaroon ng cooperation, collaborations, ganon. No, yun kumbaga, napabayaan So, kailangan magkaroon kayo ng, kumbaga, collaboration, pag-uusap talaga. open forum, no? Or heart-to-heart conversation. And there's a no. Marunong ka din dapat humindi. And there's a look for a sign. May mga senyales ang ating mga gabay na you need to pay attention. And there's a be assertive. Dapat sa sarili mo, alam mo yung grounds mo. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. With a chakra. And there's a despondence, no? May mga part dito na parang piling mo gulong-gulo ka na, parang tuliro ka na, hindi mo anong gagawin mo, na-depress ka. And there's something of pleasure. Huwag ka mong hayaang mahuli ang lahat. Makinig ka sa intuition and instinct mo. What is the romance angels, no? Pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. And there's an attraction. You are being attracted to anyone. Kaya ka na-attract din sa iba. No? Kasi parang hinanap mo yung pagmamahal sa ibang tao. Or either yung person mo gano'n. Kaya nagkaroon ng betrayal. Some of you guys, cross-watch you out there, baka ikaw to. And there's something of chemistry. No? May chemistry talaga kayo ng person mo. May pagharot maling humarot, no? Dahil hinanap yung, yung lambing or something na gano'n. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a summer without taking action. So, kailangan mong kumilos at gumalaw. And there's something self-inventory. No? Mag-invest ka sa sarili mo, guys. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's something divine intervention. No, paalala sa'yo ng ating divine with the support, with the guidance. No, ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit, but you need to pay attention sa lahat na nangyayari. No? May mali na nangyayari, kailangan mong pagmasdan, kailangan mong alamin what is additional messages. And there's your life is a canvas, no? Sinasabi dito, there's something manifestation. Lahat ng mga gagawin mo, imamamanifest mo. And there's something star ancestor with a look at little deeper or something hidden secrets. Maraming mga bagay na nakatago or may mga bagay na tinatago. No, kailangan mong alamin yan kasi unti-unti nang nawawala, no? What is additional messages? And there's a nutritions, no? Kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables. And there's a time to decide. Kailangan mo na rin ng oras para makapag-desisyon na. What is the energy represent what? What is the energy represent what? Energy represent with the healer of the ages, no? Pagagalingin ng ating Panginoon lahat ng mga sugat, no? Lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, and this is something that is it. Oh my God, may mangkukulam dito. O meron dito ng gayuma or ng gumawa ng hindi maganda. Sinakita mo yan, there's a creepy, no? Pero there's a something and healer with something natutulong sa'yo para gamutin ka. Kaya siguro nagkaroon ng, kumbaga, kaguluhan sa family mo, no? Parang may sumabotahe at may gumawa ng hindi maganda para maghiwalay kayo. For Monsology, there's an adjustment possibilities. Adjustment are required, so kailangan mo mag-adjust. Your dreams need a practical plan. So gusto mong matipad yung mga pangarap mo, wag ka mag-share ng information. No, kahit kanino. There's a lot of evil eye. Maraming inggitera. What is the Jesus loving quote said? And because unto you it's given to know the mystery of kingdom of God. So see, ibibigay sa'yo ng ating Panginoon yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa lubos na nakikita at nauunawaan. No, ibinabahagi niya sa ito para malaman mo ang totoong lalaman ng totoong kahulugan ng nangyayari sa buhay mo. No, kaya ito nangyari, may instrumento ang ating Panginoon dyan. Kumbaga, unti-unti mong madidiscover. Unti-unti mong matutuklasan ng mga pagkakamali, kamalian, and of course, kabiguan, at the same time, yung solusyon, no, na gagawin mo. What is additional messages for an angel's number? For an angel's number, represent what? Represent with a 444 protection. So, see, protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka hanggat hindi pa tuluyang nawawala. Get ready for the good things you've been hoping for. You were born for a higher calling. Put your energy into going towards your ambition, and the universe will align itself to provide you with the right people, circumstances, and resources to make things happen. So see, protection and pangalagaan mo kung gusto mo mangyari. No, wag ka mag-alala. There's something and changes and justice will be served. Messages of life represent what? Messages of life represent what? Hope, no? Don't you worry, may pag-asa pa, kaya lumaban ka. As I enter the great school of life, I hold tight to my faith in God. God loves me, guides me in every situation I encounter, regardless of what I confront. I trust with my natures. Today I welcome life, I know that light will always return and there will always be infinite possibilities for me. So see, alam mo, kumbaga may mga nangyayari sa buhay mo na nagkakaroon ng blessedness, guys, no? Kumbaga yun pala, it's a part of your journey na kailangan mong matutunan yun. No, kailangan mo malaman yun. Doon niya ibibigay sa iyo yung salitang pag-asa. Nasa likod ng mga nakabiguan, kamalian, kumbaga mayroong pang kumbaga susi, no, para maunti-unti mong masalba kung ano man yung mga bagay na pinahahalagahan mo talaga. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of Leo. So Leo, for the month of March 2025 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a journey din namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-umapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!